On Tuesday, ahead of the April 12 TTAADC election, 16 voters from 5 families officially severed ties with the BJP to join the Tipra Motha party. The defection occurred during a high-decibel campaign led by CEM and Tipra Motha candidate Purna Chandra Jamatia at Choto Gangarai village.
BJP teng tole CPM teng to hangai rang Tipra Motha teng na kailom BJP teng tole CPM teng to hangai rang Motha teng na kailom Buba Graki joy Buba Graki joy Buba Graki joy YTF ki joy YTF ki joy YTF ki joy.
The switch took place as CEM Purna Chandra Jamatia conducted an intensive door-to-door drive under the Killa-Bagma constituency. During the campaign, Jamatia bypassed traditional rallies to interact directly with villagers, listening to local grievances and discussing the council's performance over the last 5 years. Welcoming the new members into the party fold, Purna Chandra Jamatia stated that the influx of grassroots workers from the BJP indicates a clear wave in favor of Tipra Motha.
Choto Gangarai Uttar Bormurani kaise parao sokhaijak or jagao sing what why sing kaise program khaimani chikon program o jagao tini BJP yakrawi 5 family 16 voter borok tini Tipra Motha joining khaiphaikha borono belai khe hambaya phore chini party nengoi chini sobana tei krak khairona ni bagoi borok phaimani bagoi byaktigoto ani ngoi tei party nengoi borono lam sogo khaka hamya phare phainai chalo tei boroni kamini Maharajane logeo Tipra Motha party o phai chini sobana tei rago nai ang asa khlai
lokorong tang ko khatam sar ko BJP phona Tipra Motha khai ko BJP rok je khai tongnai arungno samung khanja bagai tang ko khatam sung amchamario
tabo phade o songmari wasmi ya tabo phane jara BJP khai tongnai rokno borona ang kobongnai ni musugo phaidi sungchini future ni bagoi chini thinang ni bagoi chung Maharaja je sakthari choba khai tongmani no sungtei bukra khai ni nangnai tani ke kuno party kuno dol ni neta saya chini future no sananai hunoi ekmatro chini bubagra chini chawo kami amchai thangoi chini Tiprasa ni future no bahaki sananai chini bubagra chini chi chawo tei bad baki rok BJP phangthing CPM phangthing kuno dino borok bukha tongphano chini Tiprasa neta rok BJP khainai rok chini Tiprasa do phano phiok nai hunoi kuno dino borok samaya hani bangi jara BJP khainai CPM khainai Congress khainai jara onno party Tipra Motha party khaya tongnai rok nang kobogo phaidi sung chini bobisot sanalai ni bagoi chini bubagra ni dolo phai o sobana rago phaibidi.
The 5 families previously loyal to the Saffron party reportedly cited their trust in the regional leadership's vision for the indigenous communities as the primary reason for their move.
BJP teng tole CPM teng to hangai rang Tipra Motha teng na kailom BJP teng tole CPM teng to hangai rang Motha teng na kailom Buba Graki joy Buba Graki joy Buba Graki joy YTF ki joy YTF ki joy YTF ki joy.
Pure report, Chini Khorang.